Okay, the drill jig consists of three separate pieces. We've got the clamp itself, which consists of a pipe clamp arrangement, a level for setting the angle of the hole, and a female coupling. We've got the drilling piece, which consists of a 15mm cutter, 16mm cutter, the male coupling, and then we've got an adjustable ring here for setting the rebate depth. And then we've got the tapping bit here, which is an M16x1 tap, again with a male coupling. Okay, so the first step in the process is that we measure and mark out the holes on the rail. Either refer to the drawing or the specifications. In this instance, we've already got a couple of places marked out, so the next step is we're going to clamp the pipe clamp on. So we've got the chain wraps around the pipe like so, and then this comes on and tightens up. Now we move this angle setting until it's at the bubbles in the center and it's set to the angle that we want. In this case it's 30 degrees, and clamp it on. Put the chain out of the way, and now we're ready to drill and rebate the hole. So first of all, we put some cutting fluid onto the cutter and we introduce this into the drill jig. There's a coupling here that has a sliding sleeve that needs to be pushed up in order for the coupling to be introduced, and it clicks back down when it's in place. So that's ready. And importantly, we need a pair of safety glasses as well. So with the glasses on, drill set to the lowest speed, we're ready to go. So we're cutting the 15mm hole at the moment, and once this goes through, we'll then set the depth for the 16mm rebate. So we proceed up until the 16mm cutter touches. We bring the depth setting that up until it beds up against the back surface of this nut, and then we go counterclockwise 1 3/4 turns. So in other words, that's 7 slots. So that's 4 slots, and then we come around to here, and that's 7 slots. So now we can set that, and this is now, the rebate is now correctly set for the rest of this job. We don't need to do this again, we just did this on the first hole. So the depth is now set at approximately 1.75mm. So now we can proceed with the rebate, and you'll see the clutch just slips once the rebate's done, and we can back the tool out. Just back the tool out, and then we can remove the cutter, ensure that the hole's free from swarf, and now we're going to tap the hole. So again, just a little bit of cutting fluid, introduce it, again allow it to snap in, and that's the hole completed. And now we're going to proceed onto this next hole here, just to show the process without setting the rebate depth, because that's already done. So once again, clamp it on, come round to 30 degrees, ensure that the cutter is clear from swarf, a little bit of cutting fluid, introduce it, and then now it'll cut the 15mm hole and the 16mm rebate in one go. So it's the 15, there's the 16, and now we're ready to tap. So a little bit of cutting fluid. And that's done. And ready for the next hole.